want to show you this useful shelf. It was sent to me by a brand so that I can make this video and tell you about their product. As you can see, it's got shelves and it's got little openings so that you can wipe it off or put water in it and it'll drain out there. You just hold your washcloth below that to catch everything, and you can keep it clean that way. It's also got hooks. It's got places for holes so you can nail it or hang it on hangers. It's high quality plastic that should last a long time, and it's got so many different uses because it is modern looking and sleek, and it can blend in with almost any decor. You could put it in your bathroom, you could put toothpaste, you could put all kinds of little items, and you might even hang a lightweight cloth on it or a towel. A bedroom next to your bed. Put it next to your bed if you've got the space. It could hold TV remotes, your glasses, your phone. I'm sure once you get it up, you're going to find many uses for it. And it could go in an RV, or an office, or a garage. Just any place you can think of almost where you need to corral small items to declutter a space. My idea is to place it in my kitchen on the side of my refrigerator because I have a habit of collecting like coupons and paper and pens to write grocery lists and just all kinds of little stuff like that. Recipes I've printed out, and I just put it on top of the microwave, so that's always cluttered, and I'm hoping that this is going to stop that habit, make my kitchen look neater. There's 2 installation methods. Like I said, you can use these holes to put a nail or a hook, and also you could use it with Velcro, and that's what I'm going to do since I'm going to put it on my refrigerator. You get 8 of these little strips, actually 4 sets Velcro. So I put one side of the Velcro on the back here. And it's been on here for several days, so I know it's stuck really well. It says to keep Velcro on for 24 hours before you put anything in the shelf or put the shelf together. So I've done that part. Now I'm going to go to the kitchen and put this up. We're here in the kitchen ready to install the shelf. Here's the Velcro pieces that I've already put on the refrigerator. Here's the back of my shelf. Just lining it up, hopefully in the right place. Okay, it feels really secure. So I'm just going to let this sit for a while before I put anything in it. It went up really easy. So I think this is very useful, and hopefully it will keep clutter off the top of the microwave. And you might want to consider this handy little shelf for some place that you need to declutter.